everyone. I am Anuj Chabra, sales head at 360 Degree Cloud, and I've been a part of the organization for the past 5 years. So, throughout my journey, I've always believed that customer satisfaction is a true key to success, a principle that guides to continue everything we build for NLS. So, this solution bridges the gap between the agents and customer with live transcription, sentiment detection, and AI driven coaching, which enables agents to respond faster, smarter, and more confidently. So let's move forward with the problem statement we are solving and understand the challenges this solution addresses. Now, nearly all the companies today still rely heavily on manual calling to handle customer questions and queries, which leave agent without real-time visibility, proper guidance, and the information they need handy. As a result, there are delays, unresolved queries, and inconsistent responses among customers has become very common. Without insights to support agent during complex conversation, communication gaps widen and customer often receive different answers for the same query, which ultimately reduces trust and weakening the overall customer experience. And operational challenges make the situation even more difficult. Poor call logging, missing notes, incomplete description means that the valuable customer context is lost when the call is ended. Even without the visibility into the customer sentiments or how the conversation is unfolding, agents struggle to understand the customer needs and respond accurately. Now, talking about the solution. So to solve this particular challenge we just discussed, we have built an AI solution that transforms every customer conversation with real-time intelligence. And it doesn't just support the agent, it becomes a real-time companion throughout the call. Now, talking about the features that are there in this AIVA solution is live call transcript. Now, imagine having an invisible assistant on every call, quietly taking flawless notes while you're focused on the customer. So it converts voice to text instantly, converts every detail of the conversation accurately. The sentiment detection, this is again a one kind of a feature that never coexisted with the traditional way of calling. It shows a real-time emotion indicator, helping agent understand customer feeling and respond appropriately. AI live coaching helps real-time on-screen suggestion to guide agents on what to say and how to respond during the calls. Auto tagging automatically tag logs, all call notes, summaries, action items into Salesforce without the manual effort. Now, very important, talking about the business impact. So the initial POCs that we done, we saw clear and measurable results. Query resolution improved by 25 to 30%, and agents were able to respond with greater clarity and consistency. That has been increased. Even the training time, generally the training time when the new agents joins, it takes time to train the agent. So that has been drastically reduced by 40 to 50%. And the automated call logging helps reducing the total numbers of hours that has been spent on manual work. Most importantly, customer satisfaction rate has been increased by more than 20% through faster and smarter interaction. Now, talking about the industry, our AI agent AIVA is designed to work across all the industry where customer interaction shape trust and business growth. Whether this demo is personalized with education sector. So today we would be showcasing and tailoring this demo for an education sector, but it fits in all the industry, be it education, healthcare, real estate, banking, all the industry where the customer interaction is there. Now, for setting up the context of our live demo, I'll be representing myself as an admission counselor, while my colleague Sophia will be taking the role of a student who wants to inquire about a particular course, hostel facility, placement, and she wants to take an admission. She'll be making an incoming call, which will directly appear in Salesforce through our 360 CTI app. I'll be answering the call and demonstrating you how AIVA solution assists me in real time, transcribing the conversation, detecting sentiments, and providing smart on-screen suggestion to guide the discussion effectively. I hope my screen is visible. I am on the demo screen. So I've logged into my Salesforce and you can see the tabs here. One is called transcript. So we will have a complete transcript here. We will have a call coaching. So the entire call coaching, the real-time suggestions would be coming here. And here you would notice an emoticon that would show here whether the customer is happy, neutral, sad. So you would see all the emojis here. So I would request my colleague Sonia to give me a call and I'll show you how this entire solution would work. Hello, thank you for contacting 360 University. How are you?
Hello, I am doing well. How are you?
I'm doing well too. May I know your name?
My name is Sophia.
Thank you, Sophia. Can you please share some more details before we move forward?
Sure.
Can you please confirm if this is your primary phone number from which you are calling?
Yes, this is my primary phone number.
Thank you, Sophia. Could you also share with me your other details like email address?
Sophia@gmail.com.
Perfect. Thank you for sharing all the details. How may I assist you today?
I would like to know about the courses that you offer.
Absolutely, Sophia. It's always helpful to explore all your options before making a decision. So the courses that we offer are Bachelor's of Business Administration, Bachelor's of Computer Application, Bachelor's of Technology in Computer Science, Mechanical and Electronic and Communication. May I know in which course you are interested in?
I am looking for Bachelor of Computer Application BCA course.
Perfect. Thank you for sharing all the details.
Can you please share the complete details of this course?
Sure. So BCA is one of the kind course most in demand today, especially for students who wants to build their career in IT. So the duration of the course is 3 years divided among 6 semesters. The annual tuition fees is 12,000 USD. The total course fees is 36,000 USD.
Thank you. Can you please let me know about the possible payment options?
Certainly. So our university provides multiple payment options, which are semester-wise payment, which can be paid into 2 semesters per year, and through an EMI, which is available through our authorized finance partners.
I would really love to know about the scholarship opportunities as well.
Oh, great. That's a wonderful question. Many students aims for scholarship, and it's great to know you are planning smartly for your education. You have a great chance to avail the scholarship where we offer 80% reduction in the scholarship fees.
I am excited to hear about the placements also.
Oh, great. Career opportunities are the biggest motivation for student, and I'm glad you have asked. So the overall placements were 98%, and there were highest package was 1,20,000 USD, and the average annual package was 38,000 USD. So guys,
Wow.
yeah, so this is how you have seen like how the entire transcription has worked. And once the call is ended, then all the information would be visible, the disposition, the description, the course that has been inquired, the details would be automatically filled here. Now, if you notice, the disposition is interested because she was showing her interest. The description has been updated and the entrusted course has been automatically moved to BCA. So when I save this, automatically the call log would be created. This has been logged as an incoming call, and automatically the inquiry has been created. So using our 360 CTI, we can create automatically inquiries, and this particular task has been automatically created and logged against a particular task. And under the call log, you would be able to see all the details that has been fetched. Now, talking about the very important detail, that is the dashboard. So all the data would be automatically coming in the dashboard, be it missed calls, be it outbound calls, the number of inbound calls that has been received, the sentiment score basis on how the end customer, the student was reacting, whether he was neutral or maybe he was happy, and the overall score would also be generated. So we will have all these data points and the report would be generated out of it. Now, here you might have seen under a call coaching, there were the emotion indicators, the transcripts, the coaching. This will show up in real time. Also, there are a lot of other features that has been developed like call monitoring. So the manager can barge in any time if they see the call is going more than 5 minutes and the query is not even resolved. So the manager can barge in any time and he can see the complete conversation and join the call anytime. So we have call barging, whispering, monitoring, all the features inbuilt and compatible with AIVA solution. Now, I would like Praveen to take it from here and tell you about the tech stack that we have used.
Thanks, Anuj. Let me take over now and explain you how this entire solution works behind the scenes. The process begins when the agent and customers are talking on a live call. Their audio is streamed into the OpenAI real-time model, specifically the 4O model, which extracts the live transcript for both sides of the conversation. The transcript is then pushed into the Salesforce through our integration layer built with WebSockets. At the same time, we take the customer's transcript and send it to the Agentforce, where we have built a Agentforce action. This action triggers our prompt builder template, which is the Salesforce knowledge base as the source of truth, where Data Cloud serves as the connective layer between prompt builder and the knowledge base, allowing efficient real-time data synchronization. The prompt looks at what the customer has said and retrieves the most relevant guidance scripts, suggestions, objections, or next best steps. Agentforce then generates the coaching output and sends it back. And that's the backbone of how our entire system is engineered behind the scenes. To continue with the next segment, I would like to hand the session over to Anuj.
Oh, thank you, Praveen. So as we have seen today, AI
Anuj, you might be on mute.
Anuj, you're on mute.
Okay, so as we have seen today, AI has evolved from being an automation tool, backend automation tool, for becoming a real-time partner, which helps in real-time AI call transcription and smart suggestion. We are bridging the gap between the people and technology, enabling agent to respond faster, deliver consistent experience, and bring strong customer relationship. Whether it's sales, support, service, this AIVA agent transform how team engage, learn, and perform. At 360-degree Cloud, our mission has always been help businesses harness the true power of Salesforce and AI to deliver measurable impact and create meaningful human connection. Thank you once again for joining us today. We will now be happy to take any questions you might have.
I just have one. Could this have been built without the use of Data Cloud and Agentforce?
Yes. It could be developed. By using the OpenAI, we could develop it.
Thank you.
And how do you take care of vernacular languages during the calls?
Let me answer this. So,
Am I audible?
You are.
Yes, actually, we can hear you.
Okay.
Praveen, you're on mute.
okay.
Yeah.
So I hope I'm audible. So it's Nikhil this side. So I will be taking this question from team side. So if I
Yeah.
talk about the languages that Sai has mentioned, that yes, we have checked it on the local languages as well. So when we go on the higher versions of the OpenAI, like the team which they have used, the 401, then it takes care, it modulates itself based on the accent of the user, and it basically take care of those languages as well. So we have tried it on Indian languages as well. It supports multiple languages and it is compatible. We have seen a lot of accuracy.
Okay. And did you also think about a use case where users need to submit some documents in the process?
So, I have a counter question. So when you say we have to submit some documents, what you exactly want to do with those documents?
So in the process during, a typical call center or a CRM experience, you might have a customer service that's being called in, and they may be requesting or sharing some documentation with you. So do you have a provision in this entire process?
Definitely have it. We definitely have it because we have built a custom agent on Agentforce, and we have on the backend we are having a knowledge base, so you can easily upload your documents to those knowledge base and handle this easily.
Okay. And is your solution containerized where it can be mounted out of Salesforce on any of the other web pages?
Yes, we definitely give it a thought. So we have a backend server. So if a customer says that they wanted to use it outside Salesforce, then we can ask us, we will give them a portal wherein they can log in and use this feature.
Okay. What is the USP of your solution versus what Salesforce offers in a native manner?
So I don't, as of today, they don't have a live transcript as far as I know. And we are the first one who came in the market wherein we have something built natively on Salesforce. So we take care of securities as well. You don't need to be an expert of anything else. If you are comfortable in Salesforce, we are giving you the same look and feel. And you can make actual difference by using our coaching, because as you've seen, the data is coming live. So you don't have to come to your managers or some other people for some particular information. If your customer is asking, you can answer those real quick on the real time, which adds some value to the customers, and it helps you gain their trust.
Okay. Thank you.
I'll go next. A couple of questions. How do you scale this for an organization where the knowledge base is not structured, right? Where they've got historical knowledge base in different shape and format, could be image, could be documents, could be audio files. How would you enable your model to respond on time?
So as we said in the beginning, that we are not restricted with Agentforce only. So we have our own servers. We provide a feature wherein you can actually provide your raw data to us. Okay, we will upload it and we will train it so that it can actually generate the responses based on your business fit.
Okay.
So currently it supports the PDF and the text formats. We have, in the future releases, we will try it for images as well. So that's how it is right now.
And how would you handle bias and then ensure that there are guardrails where agent is answering things which is, where the system doesn't expose anything which is PII or anything which is confidential?
Okay, Jatin this side. We are using the scopes for and guided our agent for the same. we give the some instructions and the in the coding level that they will don't go from their boundaries. They will not share any personal information about the company or any unrestricted information to anybody.
Okay. Uh, how would you scale this? What's the plan for scaling it? Because are you expecting every enterprise to configure the scope and the guardrails, or will that be coded, or will the system take care of it?
Okay, for this, it can work from many calls. Now we have also tested for the more than the thousand of calls at a time, but it was working fine. We can scale it to the any industries, but for the same we need the knowledge base. If we get the knowledge base from the different industries, it will work for the same.
Sure. Last question. I think the tool, if my understanding is right, 360 CTI is native to Salesforce, right? And if this feature has to be, primarily sold along with your Salesforce offering, right? How would you differentiate it with respect to market offering, right? Where you still need to ensure that you are within the solution still stays within, Salesforce itself. So what is the advantage that you see, that this solution built on top of Agentforce will offer over any other CTI system which is outside and not native to the platform beyond experience?
So yes, 360 CTI, although is a native application, but it will work with other CTIs as well. We have built
Okay.
a solution in such a way that it will work with other CTIs also.
Okay.
But again, when we add a value to a native solution, it comes with a lot of other functionality that we have built. You can see everything on a single page. You will have a 360-degree view of a customer. You'll see all the details, inquiry creation. So those processes become smooth when we use a native solution like 360 CTI.